Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 2, we can put into 1 plus 1. Next, we have the formula in here. So we know that number 1, that is about 1 to the power of 3. Similar for this one. Now we can apply the formula in here. Similar for the second one. Next, 1 minus cotang s and 1 minus cotang s, we can do about factorization. Now we need to simplify this one on numerator and denominator. 1 plus 1 is about number 2. Now we put b over 4 cone here, 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 and here. And now we put b over 4 cone here, 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 and here. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have 3 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.